Hello, welcome to Azure Administrator Az-104 revamp video. So in this video today we will play with the Azure stories, several stories types. So this is lab number 07. So in the previous video we dealt with the lab 04, but I have skipped as of now lab 05 and lab 06. So these two are the networking related labs, and there I am getting few of the resources which are not available in the East US region. Since the East US is recommended to select, and all the labs are available in the free trial subscription in the East US region itself. Hence, I selected the East US region. Also, I have raised the support request to the Azure if I get some other resources to do complete these labs. Otherwise, I'll fix few of the another fixes. I'll just apply them, like selecting different region and different network type and then virtual machine type, etc. I will try few of them. Already I have tried, but they didn't work. So I have parked those two labs, and I'm starting with the lab 07, which is nothing but Azure stories. So since again I am following this GitHub curriculum, so there are three tasks available in this curriculum. One first is to create the storage account and manage the storage account. Do all the networking stuff in the that storage account. Second, creating and managing the Azure blob storage. And third, creating and managing the Azure file storage. So this is the third. So let's go to the first one first. Azure storage account. So to do that, to start with the task one, you just need to search storage account here. So when you would just search storage account here, you will land on this page. It's loading. So when you land on this page, similar to all previous labs, you will get plus create button here on the left corner, and then just hit you can hit on the create and then fill all the details provided in the guidance of the GitHub manual curriculum. So after filling up those things, your storage accounts will be created. Just make sure that here is that which I had created for my lab purpose storage account. Just make sure that you just give any unique name here, because many a times you would see that storage account name is already taken or being utilized. So this should be unique. uh, yeah, so that's it in this storage account. A couple of things which you need to take care in this storage account also. If the tier which you are selecting is not available in this particular region, which is East region in my case, so you can just change the tier. If it is not matching with the GitHub portal also, then it's fine. You will just create it and then you will be able to complete the lab, but make sure that whatever you are choosing, you must understand that. And then after finishing the lab, you can just discard and delete all the resource group along with all the resources, underlying resources. You will be done that. So yeah, this is the about the task one. Here also make sure that the access of this account, a storage account, is not public. You just choose that all deny property in the accessing of this storage account. Coming to the lab 2, which is nothing but creating the blob storage. So you just go on to the top search portal, top search bar, and then just search storage, blob storage here. uh, uh, okay, you just search blob storage and then Once it appears, you just hit on the plus create button, and then fill all the details as per the GitHub portal, the instruction which are given, and then go ahead with creating that. Couple of things which you need to take care in the blob stories tasks as well. You will play with the excess part of the stories which you are creating in the blob stories. The first important part in the creation of the blob story is that you will have to upload a file in the blob stories within that. So that file would be few kbs. It should be in the few kbs. You can upload your any images or any text file from your local computer as well, but on the GitHub portal it's already given. When you search on the GitHub portal all files, under all files you will find lab 07. Under that you will find one file which you can just upload here. That file is nothing but one image kind of thing. You can upload that file here. This file you will get actually, so you can download this on your local computer and then upload to the blob storage. So then you will be able to create the blob storage successfully. Two important things in the blob storage creation account. So of course you will be setting this as well as not accessible to public. So once you do that, obviously it will not be accessible to the public. So when storage blob storage is created and you have already uploaded the file which I have just showed here, this image which you will be uploading there. Once it is uploaded, you just try to access that file with any in another tab or in another incognito mode. So you will see this one, because you will see this error and it will say that due to some restrictions or public access is not allowed on this, so hence you won't be access. And this was expected actually. To do that, to make it accessible just for experimenting purpose, what you need to do is you need to generate SAS. SAS means shared access signature. So once you generate that SAS, then you just after generating the SAS, you will be able to access that file. And this file is something, this is something you just when you generate the SAS, copy the URL of that file and try accessing in another tab or another window. So this is the file which I am able to access after generating SAS. You can see here in the URL, it is in the storage block. I am just highlighting here for you. So this is the few key things which you need to observe in the blob storage tasks. So once you finish reading and watching, observing everything in the blob storage, you are done with the tasks number 2. Now moving to the last task of this lab, which is nothing but file storage. So similarly, you will be going to the top search bar and create the file storage from here. Just hit on the plus create button. Similarly, I am not showing it here because it's the same thing. So a couple of things in this file storage is that you will be storing this file storage in your own virtual network. So while creating the file storage, what you will do is you will be selecting or creating one virtual network as well, and after putting that or after placing that file storage in that particular virtual network, you will try to access that file storage outside of that virtual network. And of course it should not be, it must not be accessible outside there. So yeah, there you go, and after that you just measure and observe all the security related, all the retention policies. So in the blob storage also you will configure some retention policy. The default retention policy is something like 180 days, and then deletion also, like after deleting any file for how many days it should stays in the archive, something like that. So just observe these things. These are pretty straightforward. There is nothing complex here. So you just binge observe on the GitHub portal also, and while doing the lab also, you just see all the tabs, see all the blends here, and then observe things over there, and then you are good to go ahead. You are good to finish this lab completely. Now I wanted to show you something here. In the storage account, with in the first task itself, when I created this storage account, let me go here. There is slow internet connectivity. So what I wanted to show you actually is, yeah, let me just show you on the bird eye view. So let me go to the resource group. So I just wanted to show you that when I go to the resource group, you would be seeing there multiple resources. So one would be, of course, the storage account. Another would be the virtual network, which you are creating in during the file storage creation. And third would be the retention policy for the file storage and the blob storage for all the storage actually. It's not loading. I think there is. Okay, just let me just go it again. Fine. I think there is very slow internet. So nothing. If it is not loading here, that is also not a big deal. You can just observe while when you are doing lab. Uh, Within your resource group, multiple resource will be creating. One is the storage account. Another would be the uh, you know uh, virtual network, and one more resource will be there. So yeah, that is pretty much in this lab 07, the storage account. At the end of this finishing this lab, just don't forget to delete all the resources, and then you are good with this lab. Thank you so much. See you in the next lab.